What's up, guys? It's your boy Inav back at the end of the video. And today, from you guys in the title, I will be doing a room tour, also known as pretty much where I always film my intros and my outros, and where you guys see me, working here. Obviously, the last time I done a room tour was in my old house that I moved away from. It was really bad. I was really young. It's summer of 2018 update. Don't even watch it. Please don't. It's just so bad. But we'll do another one now that I have a big room and life is good, and I have lots of planes. I have a couple of cars. I have a lot to show you actually, and we're gonna get to it. So no need to make this intro long. We're just gonna go over my room, what's on the walls, everything, and how everything is like, how I organize things. I'm a big organizer, so yeah, let's just go straight into it. We're going to walk in from the door of my room, and then I'm just going to go from the right all the way around pretty much to the end back to my door. All right, so I'll see you right there. All right, well, now on to the room tour. So like I said, we'll start from the right from my room, and we'll go around all the way. So from the right away, you see this is actually my cable box. It's small. It's RCN. My remotes, whole bunch of my PlayStation 4 games. My PlayStation 4... This is from a college that I enrolled to. Let's just hope I got accepted. And below that, we have a whole hub right here. And my iPad charging down there. My PlayStation remote charging there. And my bowling stuff. If you guys didn't know, I actually bowl a lot. But recently, I haven't been bowling. I think I haven't been bowling in like 4 months. So I have to get back to that. But for now, I'm very focused on RC and school. So we come here. My TV, obviously, as you guys see, very big, very big. We come in here, this is where my clothes are at. All my clothes are in here. This is actually MD Fishman's new plane that I bought for him as a Christmas present. We have nitro fuel down here. My tire bin down there. This is like random stuff, like my watches and stuff like that. This is random stuff. This whole thing right here is all extra parts. Honestly, everything down here is extra parts, except for like that, which has like screws that I need. But as you guys can see, the shockwave right down there. It's been a while since you guys saw the shockwave, but it's pretty much non-working. Everything, it's just random stuff. I have a whole bunch of random RC junk and whatever. So like I have, I don't know, for example, I have grip tape that I just bought for my planes. I have, small screwdrivers, just random RC stuff that I collected through, RTRs, plug and plays, whatever. And even with cars as well. Up here, we have my remotes in the corner, my RC stand, some oils and stuff like that. This is where my drill is, that orange, my triple feed patch antenna, my my goggles, all that stuff. This is like all my camera gear in here. So I have like tripods, chargers, all that stuff. My shoes go here. And if you guys haven't seen it in a long time, my drone bag that I haven't used in a long time, and a whole bunch of coins that are about to fall. And then I have some other shirts and hats in there. Nothing really much in here. It's just stuff that I need, obviously, like my clothing, and then like the random RC parts bin is really what I need. And then my camera gear, which I actually take this tripod that I'm using out of there as well. So now we shut the door. I have my jacket here, chilling. I have all my snowboard stuff, as you guys can see. One of my extra snowboards are in the back. Snowboard shoes, school bag, another school bag full of stuff. Right here is we have my drone, my Dremel, and another case for my drone, a more heavy-duty waterproof one. Now onto here, which you guys also see a lot. This is my transmitter with everything in it, my antennas, my milliwatt booster, the transmitter itself, the charger I use for it, and all that stuff. Here we have the eSheen monitor that I always use, as you guys seen, with its tripod that I always use. Now here is one of my favorite parts of my room, is this organizer. You guys seen this many times. It's nothing new, but it just holds all this stuff that you need. Everything that you need is in here. Obviously I have some slots open waiting to be used, and everything that you need is in here, even one has batteries. So everything I have is here. Well, most of it. Everything that I need, like battery stuff and like double-sided tape. I have a lot of double-sided tape. Nitro stuff right here. Whole bunch of servo extensions. I have a lot in here. Servos, I have like 8 or 9 servos in there. You know, mini hot glue gun. So all the stuff is in here. Another little like dock for my charging. This is actually the charger I use for my drone. Right here is actually the charger I use for my drone. Another lamp, which is like touch. So like I can touch it, and it also has another 2 little chargers here. So this, you know, this room is very charge acceptable. You know, I have a lot of charging here, and I also have a lot of charging here, and we'll keep on going. You'll see probably some more charging. So here, oh wait, I forgot to mention the e-sky on the wall. There you go. E-sky is directly above it. So that's how you guys see the e-sky in like all my intros. And I think this intro, if I remember correctly as well. I did film this part a little bit further away from the intro because I had school. But I think, yeah, you guys can probably see the e-sky in the video. Right here, we have my Dragonfly all done. We have a brand new car that I just got. Shout out to my friend MD Fishman for that. I will have it running soon. I'm just waiting on nitro fuel, which my friend also has for me. But we haven't been able to meet up because the weather has been so bad. So once I get that nitro fuel from him, this car will be a video on my channel. Don't worry about that, guys. You will see that car. It's a nitro Red Cat. I forgot what it's called, but I like to call it the L-Star. I will link it in the description if you guys really want. I will do it regardless. Next to that, we have my Red Cat Piranha. You guys seen that. And next to that, you have another car that you've never seen, but I've actually had it for a very long time. I just never posted on YouTube. Is my Traxxas Nitro Slash 2-wheel drive 3.3, or the Nitro Slash as what Traxxas calls it. Next to that, we have my Mini Aero wing, which I just broke the prop. So I just ordered a new prop, so cool. On top of the Dragonfly, we have my my Fun Cub, my Banggood version of the Fun Cub, not a multiplex. Next to that, we have another Banggood plane, the F3A Skylark S, which you guys seen a video on all these planes. You've actually never seen this video of this one fly because I actually misrecorded it, and I've actually haven't flown it since. So it's been a while. I'm waiting for the weather to get nice outside in New York. We come here. Here's my sloppy bed, my bed. Nothing really much here. These 2 cabinets on the bottom of my bed hold my clothes. Nothing really much. Don't need to show that. Now here, we have the big girl. This is my ASW28 from Volantex, running a full GPS and everything. Just like that's running a full GPS, that's running a full GPS. So this is a 8.4 feet wingspan glider. I got it off AliExpress for an absolute steal. And yeah, it chills here on these 2 mounts that I created. And it literally chills here. It pretty much takes up this whole wall. On top of my bed. So this wall is done. I probably can't fit anything else unless I fit it like in between the wings and like out here. But if I want to do it like how I did with this, it's not happening because this whole thing takes up. So yeah, it's great. It's ready to fly. I got a mate in it, and I can't wait to mate in this and this. So yeah, sorry if the camera's so shaky. I'm really holding it with my hands. Now, last but not least, next to that is my computer setup. Oh, don't look at that. Oh, future project. Let's change that. Okay, cool, Netflix, whatever. So, right here, we have my computer, which I do all my editing on with this editor right there. If you guys don't know what that little like 3 dot with colors, it's DaVinci Resolve 16, which is a free application that you guys can download on your Mac or your Windows. It's free, and you guys seen my 4K videos with my phone. It works great, and that's how I get all my editing done. Wireless chargers, and then I have a whole bunch of kids' tools down here. I have more stuff down here, like my solder, some reflective tape, some zip ties. Down here we have more stuff like my weight, like my scale. Chargers down there. We have props up here, and then some glue back there, and then tape back there. So this is pretty much like my hub of where I get all my stuff to work on cars or planes or whatever that stuff. All the way to the point where I have my lipos stored in this lipo safe bag. So everything of my lipos are in here. All lipos that I own are in that bag right next to me. Then I have these travel ones that I use all the time. Next to that, we have a behemoth of a speaker that I don't use much because it kind of pisses off the neighbors, I'm not gonna lie. And yeah, And then here it's just miscellaneous stuff, you know, backpacks, more stuff to travel, and then you go out to my front. But that's pretty much it. You know, it's really not much. I just wanted to share with you guys. This does not belong here. That goes out somewhere else. It's just in here for now, so that don't count that. That doesn't belong there. But everything else is where it should be. Obviously, I work on planes a lot, so you know we have the ASW-28, and then we have all these planes on the wall, and cars and stuff like that. But it's pretty much straightforward. You know, you walk in, you actually can't even see the ASW-28 when you're right here. You can see every other plane, but you actually can't see the ASW-28 until you actually walk past the door, and then you actually see the ASW-28. So it's very simple. But like now on, let's just go straight to the outro because that's pretty much it. All right, I'll see you guys out the outro. Well, as you guys saw, quick, easy walk around. Obviously, my closet has a lot of stuff that is in there, but obviously outside of the closet is where most of the stuff is at. Obviously, my little drawer right there that has a lot of my parts that I usually use all the time. My desk that you guys are on top of, my computer desk, obviously, because you see my RC table behind me. But this is pretty much it, guys. Obviously, I will be having future planes, future cars in this room. Don't know when. I don't know how long it will be. Me and my mom will be living here. Who knows if we move or not. But right now, I'm in a very safe space. I feel comfortable. Everything is how I want it. I'm a big organizer, so like everything is organized. As you guys saw by that parts organizer again, it's just, and my drawers and stuff like that. Everything is always organized, and that's what keeps, you know, the workspace clean. That's what keeps me working efficient and pumping out some videos for you guys. There's really nothing much. I really like that I have planes on the wall because I don't know where I would put them if I didn't do the wall. I don't know where I would put them. Like, I really don't. I don't even know where I would put my cars if I didn't do the wall. So that's one big tip. You guys should put your planes on the wall if you really don't have space for them, and especially if planes that don't tear down, like my Dragonfly behind me does not tear down. The wings are non-detachable. The tail's non-detachable. It's all just one unit. Same thing with my wing. Obviously, that doesn't tear down unless you rip it apart, which obviously I don't want to re-glue it. So that's a quick tip. Hang your stuff on the wall. It will save you a lot of space. But that's besides then. This was my room, my safe haven, where you guys see me doing intros and outros, videos in here. Obviously, if I'm flying a plane or driving a car, I'll be outside, but intros and outros and some videos are usually, build overview especially, are usually in this room where I have privacy and I have space. I have a lot of space to the point where I have two desks behind me, one desk where you guys are sitting on right now and a desk behind me. So I thank God for that. I'm very grateful for, you know, I have a space like this so I can pump out videos for you guys. But that's pretty much it. And I hope you guys enjoyed. You know, it wasn't, I just thought of this idea. I said, why not show you guys what I'm working with? Like a lot of YouTubers do. They show you their setup, and I wanted to show you mine. I use my phone to record, and I just use a normal tripod mount that you buy off Amazon. But I feel like the videos are still good enough for you guys, you know, for your watch time. But if not, put a dislike, whatever you want. I just appreciate you even clicking on my video, even if you didn't like it. So with that said, keep driving RC, keep flying RC, and I hope you guys have an amazing day and keep safe. Peace.